what is special this year and what do you have to say about it?
Every year it improves a little bit, incremental improvements each year. But this year we have a larger batch. We have almost 18 collections on the show. 4 of them have already been adjudged as, industry relevant. They've been adjudged as number 1, 2, 3, 4 by a whole jury of industry people. So that's what's going to happen this year. One collection, I believe, is going to go to the Fashion Week as well. So that's the thing.
What is, see, when the working is, there is a great faculty, you have amazing memory which is there. What is that one USP which we at WLC inculcates in students and getting it at par? What is that USP? There are fashion events galore today. As you said, there's one collection which you already so you would love to know about it.
See, we pride ourselves, and the tagline of the school is that we create thinking designers. So people who are giving a thought to what they are creating, designs that are wearable, designs that are commercially possible. So the USP of the school is that we are close to industry, we are very close to what is required in the workplace, and as a result of which the designs that you will see today, all of them will be wearable, all of them will be commercially acceptable at a later stage. So that's precisely what we do.
We recently had a show in Delhi also and had a lot of accolades and a lot of positive criticism when it comes to clothes. What do you have to say about fashion being moved to north? Earlier it was just Maharashtra, Bombay, so to speak, Kolkata.
Yes.
Delhi is becoming that one great hub. What do you have to say about that?
It's always been a fashion destination. Yeah, Bombay has always been a bigger industry. But as more and more industry shifts to the north and there's more activity happening over there, we are seeing that natural shift for designers, and we're seeing a natural shift for other people up north. Also, you must remember that a lot of these designers depend on weddings. And north has more weddings than anywhere else in the country.
So that remains our key area.
Yes, and the industry is also shifting. The export industry, there's many other linkages that are formed, and these people are employing more and more designers.
So anything you want to add, a bridge to your future in terms of WLC, what would you like to add?
We have been around for 20 years. The fashion school has been around for more than 15 years. And we have sent many designers to the industry. Many of our students are now, recognized names in the area of fashion. And we hope to continue this tradition in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Zulfi Fashion University, what do you have to say about WLC?
Well, WLC is designed by the young students who are upcoming designers. Will be in the market very soon, hopefully soon. And I've seen this show last year also. I think so. Their work is very clean, and it's more sellable and wearable. That's what I feel.
What do you have to say about fashion? What does fashion mean to you?
For me, fashion is I wear fashion, I sleep fashion, I wake up fashion. Yeah, that's what it means to me.
Shakil, you've been choreographing now for a while, and again, what is special that we're going to look forward to?
I think the students have been very creative, like always. They come up with some new collection, very crazy, good design, something out of the box, and very practical and wearable. So we are really looking forward for all the new designs today.
So anything special we're looking forward to in the show today?
I think the music is really fun today. The students are experimenting with a lot of new range of music. It's not just the monotonous fashion music which is dragging. They've gone up and the students have worked hard on music. Some of them even composed specially for the show. We have Dipti. Yeah, we have Dipti Gujral, we have Mangini Singh, we have Achal Oberoi, we have also Rajnish Duggal, Manish Rai Singhani walking for the designer. So we're looking forward to a lot of fashion and television glamour together.
Anything you would like to add on the fashion bit, Shakil? You've been yourself associated with fashion for the longest time.
I think to be in fashion, just keep your eyes open. Don't be scared or afraid to experiment. It's you who create the fashion, so just go for it.
I've been attached with WLC from the inception, and I've seen them growing up all the time. and they are doing a good job. They are trying their best, and I've seen them going up.
So when you talk about between yourself associated with
Association, that is, I represent Clothing Manufacturing Association of India, that is CMAI, and I've been the chairman of the education board, and I'm on their advisory board and on a few other people's advisory board. So I've been attached with them, and I know what they are teaching, how they are teaching, what they are exactly doing.
in terms of fashion as a growth in the industry, what do you have to say about that?
You can see yourself that it's growing. In fact, there's a lot of demand for good people, those who can work. We face a lot of problem in our industry to have consistent people. A lot of attrition is there. A lot of people keep changing their jobs. So there is a good demand, and we require still good people to work. Good education is always welcome. And we also hold a lot of employment mela on behalf of our association. But still there is dearth of students. That much I can say.
So we moving from WLC, we'll have some good designers, upcoming designers.
That's what I'm trying to encourage them, that we should be able to get more people to our industry.
Any wishes for them?
I can only say all the best. Thank you.
Arjuna, you're here for WLC College.
Yeah.
For you, what is fashion?
So I think fashion is being yourself. If you are confident within yourself, I think what you do becomes fashion. So just stay yourself, yeah.
As a part of college curriculum, we've been having this event for years now, and
Yeah.
we're also having something exciting. So for you, fashion events, how relevant fashion per se events gets to when it comes to taking a live look at the fashion events and what we see in terms of Bollywood? How do you see the connection?
I didn't get your. Can you?
See the ramp and you see the design and the
Yeah.
artwork they put in. What do you have to say about that?
So I think everyone is putting a lot of hard work in whatever they do. It's all creativity. So at the end of it, it's I think all creative artwork for me.
Any song which comes to your mind when you
I'll sing one of my songs which I recently did. Oh सोनिए तेरा मेरा साथ यूं ही रहना ओ सोनिए हर जिंद मेरी बन रहना. So this is for all the beautiful girls who are going to walk the ramp.
Thank you. WLC is putting up the show, which will be moving in this month to this colleges in fashion industry. What do you have to say about fashion and what wishes would you like to give to the students who put such a great show together today?
I'm here and itself because fashion show is something, it shows us how much creative the other person is. It opens the door of creativity. So I think we should support it a lot, and I'm here to support it, and I'm so happy. I'm going to, really enjoy the show and see the creativity. So wish you all the very best, and I hope I get to see lots and lot of creative things.
What does fashion mean to you?
According to me, fashion is something in which you are very comfortable, where you can take your personality out. So you shouldn't go for something which doesn't suit you. You have to go with something that actually shows your personality. So for me, fashion is your personality. Thank you.
फैशन शो के लिए आए हैं WLC कॉलेज के, क्या कहना चाहिए?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा शो, बड़ा मज़ा आया और काफ़ी डिफरेंट था. तो कॉलेज में आके कॉलेज की याद आ गई. इट वाज अमेजिंग.
आप भी आपने भी बहुत अच्छा ड्रेस पहना है, तो एज अपने दर्शकों को क्या बोलना चाहेंगी कि एज अ गर्ल, बीइंग अ गर्ल, किस टाइप के कपड़े आप पहनना पसंद करेंगे?
See, for me, my culture and simplicity is what I'll call my fashion statement.
अच्छा, फैशन शो का नाम आते ही दिमाग में कोई तो गाना आता होगा, मतलब एज अ सिंगर कुछ फैशन बोलने से
आजकल फ़िलहाल मेरी एक फ़िल्म आ रही है T2 MBA एज अ लिरिसिस्ट एंड सिंगर. तो फ़िलहाल मुझे सिर्फ मेरी फिल्म के गाने दिमाग में घूमते रहते हैं.
एक गाना हो जाए.
फ़नी सॉन्ग गाती हूँ. फिल्म का जो रोमांटिक क्लब सॉन्ग सब है, बट एक फ़नी सॉन्ग गाती हूँ. मोरे सैया हो गए नोटी है कर दे रहंदे पार्टी है बनते ज़्यादा स्मार्टी नोटी नोटी सैया जी अत्याचारी
See, I think fashion is something everybody knows about, and today every girl is very conscious about fashion and giving a fashion statement. And I think it's good that people are more and more conscious.
So as a you are an actor, or as an actor, क्या fashion के tips देना चाहेंगे आप? क्या करें? सर्दियाँ start हो रही हैं, तो किस टाइप के fashion से related कपड़े और like
See, I believe fashion is being yourself and wearing your own skin, firstly and foremost. And secondly, I think just be in your own skin, be happy, and keep a smile on your face. That's it.
Fashion नाम सुनते ही दिमाग में क्या एक ऐसी चीज आती है like
your own style statements.
Okay. As a fashionista, आप किस टाइप से अपने आप को तैयार करना चाहेंगे?
I feel fashion is not to prepare yourself, it's just carrying yourself the way you are and have an attitude which is your own, which is original, which is not replicated of anybody. That's it.
यहाँ पे सारे कॉलेज के बच्चे अपने फैशन शो कर रहे हैं, तो अभी आप देखने जाएंगे तो कैसा बच्चे इतने अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, तो कभी ऐसा लगता है कि काश मैं भी फैशन डिजाइनर होती?
No, I think I should have many fashion designers rather than being a fashion designer. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Very well.
Thank you. Yes, sir, ma'am. Aziz over here.
This bike, how it is?